So I do believe that he messed up in his comments on Tuesday when it sounded like a moral equivocation, or at the very least moral ambiguity, when we need extreme moral clarity. Let me just back up for a second and make one or two other points. It should not be about the president. This is not about Republicans or Democrats. This shouldn't be about some vote in Congress or some partisan issue. This is so much more important than that. I'm pleased with the decision. I'm actually pleased with the way he went about making this decision. It was described to me recently by one of our military planners that for the last 16 years, our comprehensive Afghanistan strategy was 16 one-year strategies. So we have had a convoluted strategy with respect to Afghanistan, and I think it's high time we have a more comprehensive strategy. Well, in the House, we did pass it. We passed it last May. We ran on a specific agenda. Remember, we called it the better way. It had a number of things that we thought were necessary to fix this country's problems. Obamacare is collapsing. It is collapsing under its own weight. Next year, it's projected 47% of all the counties in America. That's almost 1 in 2 counties in America are down to one health insurer. Since Obamacare started, premiums have gone up more than 100%. Do I wish there would be a little less tweeting? Of course I do. But I don't think that it's going to change. I think the president feels, and he rightfully feels, that he has found a way to communicate directly with people around the media, and I think he's been very successful at doing that. Are those some of those tweets that I prefer not to have seen? Of course there are.